Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and yes, people, the weekend has come to a close, and it's time to get back on the Monday grind. So I hope you're getting your rest on. I hope you're taking care of everything you need to do in order to get ready for the work week. All right, with that being said, we do got some watch faces to give away. We want to thank everybody who participated. Thank you all for your loyal support as well. And we want to thank the developers for these donations, naming VL watch faces. He got down on the Futuristic watch face. I thought he did an excellent job on that one. You really liked that one. Also, we got DXS Studio. This guy is phenomenal. So we went to this guy and we asked him for these watch faces that he did an update on, which is MTA 17. This guy lit this one up. It's a nice luxury looking watch face, worthy of a download in the Gear Manager store. So congratulations to all the winners up front. We're going to call the names. We're going to get you in. We're going to get you out. And with that being said, let's go ahead. Let's get started. Now, we're going to start off with VL watch faces with the Futuristic watch face. Now, winners are KDF SR20, congratulations, my friend. You are a winner. We got Gary, we got OZ Bale, we also got Scott. Congratulations, you guys. You are a winner of the VL Futuristic watch face. Now, as for DXS Studio MTA 17, which this guy lit this one up, I love it. The first winner is going to be Vince. Congratulations, Vince. We got Jackie. She's a winner. Adrian's in the building. Also, we got Sonja. She's a winner as well. Dude, 81869. You are a winner. Make sure you email me so I can get, I think I got your email already. Don't worry about it. I got you. We got Kryptonia. We got also Usman. So congratulations, you guys. If I'm not mistaken, I got everybody's email. All right. With that being said, listen, have a great weekend. For those of you all who watched the basketball game, enjoy the All-Star game, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you later. Take care.